G'day guys, it's Board Buster from Wello Forders. Yeah, today I went out on the 4 metre and yeah, I just couldn't hold it. It was just too windy for it. I thought it'd be okay, and just the sandbar was starting to come out and it was starting to really flatten off. And anyway, I got out, got up pretty well and got going and thought, I'll be okay. And then, yeah, just really fighting with the wing. And anyway, first couple of dives went really well, and just couldn't hold the wing down. It was just too much wind. Anyway, gave it a good crack. I was on the 85 litre Axis Blast, and I put in my old HPS 880 for a go. Like, it's usually a easier foil to use, and thought it'd be better in the chop and more controllable. But yeah, the foil didn't go too bad actually. But yeah, just look at the wing. I just couldn't hold it down. Probably needed about a 3 metre. Yeah, it was gusting up to 25, 30 knots, maybe. So yeah, it was a bit of a handful. But I gave it a go, and I lasted about half an hour, so it wasn't too bad. Not going too bad at the moment. Oh, a big gust hits me. I was just lifting the wing up into the sky. Oh. Probably should have gone out on my sailboard today, but yeah, just felt like trying the 4 metre wing. Ooh, having trouble holding it down. There's also like really big gusts hitting me, so the wing's just flapping around up in the air. It's really having trouble keeping it steady. Look at the white caps across the bay. It's pretty cranky out there. The bay's pretty angry. Look at the waves out there. Ooh. At this stage, I just get blown off the water. Oh! There we go, it just got too much for me. Anyway, this is Ian. He's come over from Manly, and he was on a 6.5, I think it was. And yeah, he's pretty brave coming across from Manly. Like, it's pretty wild out there, as you can see in the background. Here I am giving it another crack, and it's going all right, but yeah, just wasn't good. It was kind of like getting a bit dangerous, so I ended up calling it a day pretty early. I'm going away on Sunday, so we're going down to the Marimbula Surf Classic. So I just didn't want to hurt myself out there. Anyway, that's Vando going out. He's going out to try and get some good speeds. And you'll see at the end of the video the speeds they got. Like Ian's nickname is Cocky, and that's Vando. His nickname's Vando, of course. And there's also Shane out there. Shane, he did all right too. But Vando and Ian got some 37 knot peaks coming down the bank, so pretty impressive. Like, the wind direction wasn't ideal, but as you can see, it's still a bit choppy. But yeah, it was pretty good. Like, there's a little bit of flat areas, as you can see where Ian is now. It's a little bit flat, so you can really put the foot down. You might notice they're all blasting in and having a bit of trouble pulling up. Like, it's a bit scary to drive at that speed. There goes Van on a really nice run. Look at that. Woo! This is Shano coming along. I'm not sure what size board he was on, but he's on his old sail. That's what it's like heading out. It's pretty chaotic heading out. Like, you're heading out in a really big shop, and you got to go right out, or a fair way out the middle there, and somehow jibe in the chop, and then you'll see them pointing back towards the sandbar. So once they get to a certain point on the sandbar, they just blast off the wind. Like, it's a big like whiplash kind of direction they take. There goes Ian. That looks like 37 knots or close to it. Oh, how do I stop? That's how. Sue was taking this footage from the up the beach, and yeah, it's a little bit glary out there, but I ended up going out to Sandbar and filming the rest of it. Not sure who that guy is. He launched from Manly too, and that's Nick on a really nice run. Nick was on a 5.5 metre. Beautiful runs. Yeah, this screenshot gives you a bit of an idea of the course they're taking. This is Davo. Davo came out with too big a sail, so he didn't last too long out there. He actually came in early and he de-rigged, and I think he went over to Loader Creek, which is over the background there. It's really flat water over there. It can be really nice at low tide. A few kiters out. I think that's Noel the kiter. No, it wasn't. It was some other guy. But you'll see Noel throughout the video. He's doing some really nice jumps. That's Davo heading out for another go. Goes Shano on a really nice run. As you can see, they're coming into the sandbank and then just bearing off. Full noise. Pretty impressive. Woo! This is about all I used to do, just chase speed on the sailboard, but kind of taken up the wing ding, and I'm enjoying that more these days. But I will get out on the sailboard now and again. Comes in on a nice run. Woo! You might have noticed somebody yelling out. That was Ian. I actually copied and pasted it a few times. It sounded so funny. Yelling out for joy he was. Beautiful day. Like, it was like 28 degrees out there, and beautiful sunny skies, and really windy, like crazy windy. Whoa, Nick fell off on the jibe. Pretty hard jibing there, like you build up so much speed, and like Nick's a really good jiber, so yeah, he got it wrong. Like this guy's on a wave board or something, going really well in the chop. That's a look out across the other side of the sandbar out the bay. It's pretty cranky out there, and a really nice close-up. I think by this stage I've come out on the sandbar and filming them, trying to get some really good close-ups. I'm looking out into the glare, but as they pass me, the glare's not there. Goes Nick on a nice run. I reckon if they had been on speedboards, there would have been some 40-knot speeds, but yeah, it was a bit choppy for a speedboard, so they opted for their slalom boards and wavy boards. Going pretty fast, that guy, whoever he is. Anyway, that's the speeds they're doing. Pretty good speeds, and even the averages were really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. You'll see at the end of the video I filmed Sue sitting up in the car park enjoying the view, sitting with Chris, one of the other windsurfers who didn't go out. There they are there, having a nice sit under the tree.